January 1st is the beginning of New Year according to Julian calendar and Gregorian calendar. We all follow Gregorian calendar now. Both these calendars were introduced by Roman rulers. Julian calendar was introduced by Julius Caesar in 46 BC. This calendar was effective starting from January 1st, and hence this day was considered as beginning of New Year. Majority of the European countries followed this calendar itself. Later, Gregorian calendar was introduced in October 1582 AD by Pope Gregory XIII with slight modifications. Julian calendar year was 365.25 days long, but Gregorian calendar is 365.2425 days long, and it calculates leap years accurately. All the countries which were following Julian calendar or their own calendars changed their calendar system to the Gregorian model in later years. For example, while the Gregorian calendar was introduced in 1582 October, United Kingdom changed their calendar system to Gregorian in September 1752. Because of this shift, the date after 2nd September is not 3rd September but 14th September in the year of 1752. They lost some of the calendar days due to this change. All the British colonies, including India, followed this new calendar starting from 1752. Last country which changed to Gregorian calendar is Saudi Arabia in 2016. Month of January is dedicated to god Janus. According to Roman mythology, Janus is the god of beginnings, gateways, passages and endings. He has two faces and looks to the future and past at the same time. He can be considered as god of transition. For this reason, January is the first month of New Year, indicating transition of calendar. Until around 700 BC, there were only 10 months in ancient Roman calendar. The remaining 61 days of the calendar year were not named and left in the name of winter. There were no January and February. Hence, the calendar year in ancient Rome was started in March. Later, January and February were added in 6th century BC. There are few legends of Janus. According to one of such legends, he assisted the founder of Rome, Romulus, to win a war against his enemies. Hence, a temple was built in his honor with two gates. One gate faces sunrise and another faces sunset. Because Janus was also a war hero, Romans used to keep these doors open during times of war and close them once peace is established in the country.